Today we're changing a side view mirror on a 1996 Ford Explorer. In this step, I'm going to demonstrate the proper service procedure for rehanging of your vehicle's door skin. Now what I want to show you here on the switch bezel is this track here. This track actually has a corresponding track on the door skin. You're going to want to take and make sure that you get these lined up if your vehicle is so equipped. It's got one here and it's got one here. I'm going to go ahead and let that hang for a moment and grab a hold of my door skin and get it in a relatively close location to what we're dealing with. First off, I'm going to grab a hold of that switch bezel and line it up in its track. As you can see, that's the piece we're shooting for right here. It has an identical track up towards the front of the switch bezel. We're just going to take and line that up. And we're going to take and line up the front one and slide it through until the hooks protrude past the end, just like so. Right there. I'm going to go ahead and take and install my new light bulb into the socket. Right there. And take and align it and slip it in. Just like so. Once you have your switch bezel and light connected, you can take and manipulate the door skin up over the top lip and your door handle. You're going to want to take and make sure to get that top lip hooked first before you attempt sliding it down. Alright, once you have it up and over the lip, you're going to want to take and push it down to secure it. Now it's a good idea to take and operate your power lock at this point in time to make sure that it it is free moving. As you can see right there, we have no trouble with our power lock. Once you have your door skin hung, you can work around it and reseat all of those Christmas trees that you took apart when disassembling the door. Alright, and just for good measure, we're going to take our rubber mallet and just tap around. And there you go. That is the proper service procedure for rehanging your door skin and reinstalling all of your retaining Christmas trees.